You can only blame yourself.
Wait, don't get in. Wait up right now.
Fuck, I wish I could record. Okay. Fuck, where'd he go? It was really high up, so... Is he? No, he isn't. I'm looking for him. Oh, there he is, in front of us, in front of us, in front of us. We're probably gonna get shot down.
Closer.
Yeah, I'm turning towards you. Towards him.
Get high altitude.
Yeah, I'm gaining as much altitude as I can. But I also gotta keep the speed.
Now this heli is faster, right?
Oh, we're gaining on it. Take him,
Too
take
bad I
him,
don't
take him.
have to, yes.
Fuck, fuck, fuck. I'm auto hover now myself.
Okay, now spray him, spray him. Spray him.
Ah, sorry, no, I'm trying not to get shot. Oh shit, they're firing back. They're diving too. Hit for the top rotors, hit for the top rotors.
Go.
We're all green, we're still good.
You're hitting him. Don't place me on.
Fuck, he's hit the back rotor. Okay, jump out. Halo jump.
Jump out.
Yeah, out. Mission failed. We'll get him next time. Are you still firing at them? Oh my god, just keep firing at them, yeah. Just keep firing. Oh, I'm dead.
How?
I didn't open the chute, I was looking up in the sky and I just flopped to the ground. Boom. Okay, well that was a... I don't know what, but that was a 100... Yes!
What?
Mission successful! Mission successful.
Weapon? Oh, there goes time dedication of me and Zen trying to fix the goddamn heli.
I think that was 100k well spent.
Hi, Jesus here. If you don't leave a like on this dead-ass video that Zima worked so hard on, I'll steal your Tims. Jesus boy out.